What's the meaning of candlelight? Candlelight. Candlelight.
Candlelight. Candlelight. Candlelight refers to the light emitted by a burning candle. It is a flickering, soft and warm light that often creates an intimate and serene atmosphere. The use of candlelight can be traced back to ancient times when candles were used as the primary source of light. Today, candlelight is often used for decorative and functional purposes such as creating a romantic ambience in a room or during power outages. The gentle illumination provided by candlelight can create a cozy and comforting atmosphere, making it a popular choice for relaxation and meditation.